Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Auriol Binoculars 8X60. 5 years warranty from Lidl. Some specs we are going to find out as we are opening this box. Of course, first look, we've got the manuals. If you want to read it, is your choice of course. It's nice. Nothing else inside. Nice case for traveling. Nice. Now, here we've got the eye caps. You can take that out. Diopter vision adjuster. Here you can adjust all that. Central focusing wheel. There's a central focusing wheel. You can see it's coming out. That means it's focus. Binocular body. This is the binocular body. Threaded tripod. There you can connect. There it is. Mounted socket. It's nice. This is the neck cord. And the buckle that you can connect it here. We have a cleaning cloth inside in the box. Lens cover. There's a lens cover. And of course you can clean it. Oh, you can adjust it just like that. It will help you to put it to your eyes. Field of view, we've got 100 meter at 1000 distance. Close up is up from 15 meter. Optical glasses material is BK7 fully coated. Lens is 60 millimeter. Magnification is 8 to 60. Let's going to test it to see how they look. Well guys, I have just looked inside of these binoculars. Wow, I'm impressed. You've got a very clarity vision. What are you looking? You can adjust it through this wheel definitely. Yes, it's going about 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, and it brings the picture 100 meters close to you. You can definitely, at that distance, you've got a clean picture, clean view. Yeah, for 25 euros, thumbs up. And if you are going to buy a tripod, definitely you will have a very steady and clean vision. Thumbs up. I think it's a great product. Definitely will do the job. 25 euros. If you need something like that to go out to the wild nature and watch from these binoculars, I think it will please you 100%. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.